Should I go?
Did you really just do that?
My name is
Yeah.
Cleveland.
Yeah.
Should I save up to 250,000 and get my basketball gym level 5?
Yes.
Oh, hey, y'all. Loretta.
And the Kevin is mesmerized by the moving picture.
Is that off now?
Yeah.
You want to set it down?
Don't do it! Just kidding.